Yoga is more than just a workout. It's a journey through time and self-discovery. Imagine stepping onto your mat, not just to stretch, but to connect with a practice that has roots stretching back over 5,000 years to ancient India. It's a tapestry woven with the threads of spiritual practices found in the Vedic scriptures. As we peel back the layers of yoga's history, we see its evolution from the classical teachings of Patanjali, who laid down the Yoga Sutras and the 8 limbs of yoga, to its modern incarnation, which has captured the hearts of millions around the globe. Today, yoga is celebrated worldwide, recognized by UNESCO, and honored every year on International Yoga Day. So, what exactly is yoga? At its core, it's a holistic practice that unites body, mind, and spirit. It encompasses physical postures, known as asanas, breath control or pranayama, and meditation, or dhyana. The beauty of yoga lies in its adaptability, welcoming practitioners of all levels and backgrounds. The benefits? They are profound. Physically, yoga improves flexibility, strength, and posture while enhancing balance and coordination. It's a powerful ally in managing chronic pain and boosting cardiovascular health. Mentally and emotionally, yoga reduces stress and anxiety, sharpens focus, and promotes emotional resilience. It invites deeper self-awareness and inner peace, encouraging mindfulness in our fast-paced lives. If you're ready to embark on this journey, start with simple poses and focus on your breath. Find a style that resonates with you, whether it's hatha for a gentle introduction or vinyasa for a more energetic flow. Even just 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a difference. Join a class or explore online resources to guide your practice. Yoga is a powerful practice that nurtures the mind as much as it strengthens the body. By combining breath control, movement, and mindfulness, yoga helps calm the mental chatter, fostering a sense of clarity and focus. Regular practice reduces stress, anxiety, and negative emotions by balancing cortisol levels and stimulating the release of feel-good hormones like serotonin. Meditation, a key component of yoga, trains the mind to stay present, enhancing emotional resilience and self-awareness. Whether you're seeking inner peace, mental sharpness, or a deeper connection with yourself, yoga offers a transformative path for mental well-being. I encourage you to try yoga and encourage others.